Hi guys! Bonjour à tous! This is Romy. Today's video is the third of my sailor-chic trilogy that includes a tote bag tutorial, a matching pouch tutorial, as well as this cute lavender bag tutorial. Honestly, I must say that lavender bags does not really go with either the tote bag nor the purse. Except that, I am using the same fabric, but well, I had some leftovers, so let's pretend then that it is a 3 set. And let's enjoy the smell of lavender in south of France by the sea. Alright, let's get started. C'est parti! So first what we need to do is to cut 6 rectangles. If you want to do 3 bags, if you want to do more, you have to add 2 rectangles per bag. Now that it is done, I am going to use this fabric. This is a simple cotton. I am going to use it to do some tags. I am also going to use this stamp with ink for fabric, and I am going to put letters here in order to form the word relax, because it is very important to relax. I am tracing some stripes and I am going to cut them and to fold them in order to get the tags ready. Now I am folding the fabric, je plie le tissu. Then I am measuring, je mesure le tissu. After I'm going to be cutting, je couperai le tissu. This is your French lesson of the day. I'm pinning, j'épingle l'étiquette. There we go, we have 3 of them ready. We are sewing on both edges, like so. And we're just going to turn them inside out. Okay, let's prepare the first bag. So you want to do a little sandwich with a tag inside and 2 panels that you put right sides together. Then you pin it all and then we are going to sew it in place. So as you can see, I'm sewing 3 sides and I am going to leave the 4th side open, like so. The 3 bags are ready. I'm doing a bit of cleaning, cutting, removing threads, and then I'm going to turn the 3 bags inside out. Look at that, my little relax tag. And you know what else could help us relax? The smell of lavender. Alright then, let's add some lavender. And please be generous. Go for it. To finish the bag, we are going to close it with a few hand stitches. First I am pinning it, and then I am going to use a thread that is the same shade of the fabric. Et voilà, c'est terminé. It's done. I'm just adding a little bow, just, to make it cuter. And because a good presentation is important. Alright. Please subscribe to my channel, share this tutorial, follow me on Instagram, and of course, as always, try the tutorial out. Bye bye. À bientôt.